Okay guys, so in this chapter we're going to prepare our background by separating our model from the background itself, so that when we are doing the compositing or we are adding extra elements, we'll be able to play around with our model. So first of all, I'm going to select the lasso tool, and then I'm going to clear the pipe holes here. I'm going to come on edit and come on fill. You can press shift F5, and I'm going to select content aware, and I'm click OK. So now let's tackle, there's this artifact here. I want us to clear this artifact. Select it with the lasso tool, and then you come on fill, and then you select OK. So now we have it cleared. Now let's separate our model from the background. So I'm going to select, you can either use the quick selection, object quick selection tool, or the quick selection tool, any of them, but in this case I'm going to use the object quick selection tool. Okay, and then I'm going to come and select modify, expand. Let's give it like maybe 30. Okay, this is cool. Now I'm going to press Ctrl J to create a copy of my selection, which is going to look like this. And then from there, I'm also going to press Ctrl and click on the same new layer that I created for my selection, so that I can use that selection to clean out the model from the background itself. So I've done that selection already, and I'm going to come to fill, and then press OK with the same settings. So you realize that now our model is clear from the background. Now we can move our model anywhere in the scene. So in our next chapter, I'm going to add other elements, or we're going to composite other elements into our scene.